Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel Excel Chapter 3 Hand-on Exercise 1 Simulation Training. So if you want to complete my MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So I will guarantee you a 90 or 95 plus grade your assignment and your exam. So select the ranges A5 to D9 on the Outlook worksheets and use the insert to create the cluster column charts. So ranges A5 to D9, press enter. So select the range and insert the cluster column chart. So go to the insert tabs and go to the charts groups and click the recommended charts and click the all charts and click the first cluster column charts and click OK. Next is cut the selected charts and paste in cell H1. Right clicks and click the cut the chart and paste the chart in cell H1. So select the H1 and paste the charts. Next is adjust the height of the column charts 3.5 inches and width is 5.3 inches. Close any open task pane if the necessary. So select the charts and go to the format tabs and go to the size groups and uh, height charts. Height of the column chart is 3.5 and width is 5.3. 5.3 and press enter. So question number 1 is complete and we move to the question number 2. So question number 2 is select the range A5 to B12 and D5 to D12 and use the recommended chart feature to create the cluster bar charts. So select the ranges A5 to B12 and press enter, and next is D5 to D12. D5 to sorry A5 to B12 and D5 to D12. D5 to D12 and use the recommended chart feature create the cluster column chart. So go to the insert tabs and go to the recommended charts and click the all chart is create the cluster bar charts. So click the bar chart and click the cluster bar charts and click OK. Next is change the chart from the cluster bar to the default stack bar charts. So select the cluster bar charts to the stack bar charts and go to the chart design tabs and go to the types groups and click the change chart type is stack bar charts. Click the stack bar charts and click OK. Next is move the selected bar charts to the chart sheet name is bar chart. So copy the bar charts and right clicks and click the move charts and click the new chart sheet name is bar chart and click OK. So question number 2 is complete. We move to the question number 3. So question number 3 is display the new job worksheets. So display the new job worksheets and display the new job worksheets. And next is on the new job worksheet and select the range A4 to B9 and choose the quick analysis to create the default pie charts. So A4 to B9 press enter. So select the range and A4 to B9 and use the quick analysis to create the default two pie chart. So click the quick analysis and go to the chart tabs and click the pie charts. Next is move the chart to sheet name is to pie chart. So move the chart sheet name is to pie charts and right clicks and click the move charts. So new chart sheet name is to pie charts. To pie chart and click OK. So question number 3 is complete and we move to the question number 4. So question number 4 is display the Outlook worksheets. So go to the Outlook worksheets and on the Outlook worksheet select the range A5 to A12. So type the A5 to A12 and press enter, select the range, and next is D5 to E12. Next range is D5 to E12 and go to the insert tabs and go to the click the recommended charts. Next is all charts and create the cluster column combo charts. Create the cluster column and the combo charts. Create the cluster column combo chart line on secondary axis. Cluster column line on secondary axis and click OK. Next is move the chart to chart sheet name is combo charts. Right click and click the move charts and new sheet name is combo charts. Combo chart and click OK. So assignment is done. Please click on OK to submit the assignment. So if you want to complete my MylTLab course, Microsoft Excel, Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint and Microsoft Access, we can do online courses in accounting, math, stat, finance, economics, writing and other courses. So check the score. Excel chapter 3 hand on exercise 1 simulation training is 100%.